Look at that. I'm about to show you how to make some damn good red snapper. Bought this for 60 bucks at the seafood store here in Destin, Florida, because I'm on vacation. I'm going to use 2 ingredients to make some of the best fish you ever had. Let's make it. First, you need a big pan. Let's get it heated up. Then you're going to need some butter packets I stole from the restaurant. Pop the top on your Danos and sprinkle generously. And when I say generously, I mean get it nice and coated. Should look like that. And if you think it's too much, well, you don't know till you don't know. Get you some of these little butter packets and put it right in there. A 2, a 3. Get it mixed around. Get your big old piece of snapper and throw it in. So we gave the big guy a head start. Now we catch up. Look at that. Yeah, baby. All right, 5th little butter packet going in. Let it keep cooking, and we're only on a medium temperature. We're going with our 6th butter packet, and that'll do it. We're gonna put that right there. Let it keep cooking. So it's been about 5 minutes total. We maneuver that butter around a little bit. Let it keep cooking just on that medium temperature. All right, so it's probably been 8 or 9 minutes total, just on a slow simmer. Let's flip this bad boy over. Look at that. Look at that. Did you see where that skin tightened up and it bowed up? So this is what we're going to do. We're going to flip the big boy. Watch this. Same thing's going to happen. Look at that. Look at that herb crust on there. Add your 2 more butter packets on top of the fish, just like this. Turn it off. And put the lid on and set to the side. Maybe maneuver that butter around a little bit. Get it sauced up like that. Now put the lid on. Let it sit. And you'll find you one of these. And let's get a taste test. Look at that. It's been sitting for about 10 minutes. And that, my friends, that is the yum yum. Get you some, baby. So let me explain to you the beautiful thing about this fish. You guys, I put a lot of seasoning on there, but it's not full of salt. So I'm not making this salty. I'm not ruining anything. I'm just putting the herby, citrusy flavor in there that you can totally taste, and it's never too salty. And I promise you, give it a try, and you'll be like, yum yum, give me some.